Mechanic says my cats are bad. Your cats are bad. They're probably peeing on the carpet. No, we're not talking about those cats. We're not talking about Garfield and Odie. We're talking about the catalytic converters, and they've gone bad. Catalytic converters actually don't go bad. Something in your vehicle, your engine, and your fuel management system caused them to become damaged. What can you do about that? Proper maintenance. O2 sensors at 100,000 miles, super handy. Getting the tune-ups done when they're supposed to be done, and getting the fuel injection services done. We offer all three of those services at Mike's. We can also look the vehicle over and see what needs to be done to protect those. The replacement on cats alone, or those of you who've ever had this problem, it can get very expensive. They got all kinds of precious metals in there like gold and all kinds of, uranium or whatever, blah, 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 yums and blah, and they do all this stuff just to get rid of this crap, this smog. The best thing to do is not have a meltdown on you. So, tune-up, fuel injection service, and replace the oxygen sensors that are related to fuel management.